This exact AI system has allowed me to scale stores to $3 million in 2 weeks, 600 grand in 3 days, as well as people we work with to $100,000 days, to $120,000 days, $40,000 days. We got a little 3K day. This day was 300 grand and then $140,000 days, which has accumulated to myself and my partner's brands to over 100 million euros in sales. And we've done this by not using just a content flow, but an evolution content flow, which is basically us testing new angles with AI image ads, which will take an ad library looking something like this and to looking something like this. And we test hundreds of different audiences and angles without having spending much time at all. And I didn't do any of these. This was done automatically with this AI system. And we use something called the signal mining method, which is based on the external research, extracting that into specific audience angles, and then putting it all together in the build section where we actually will get out all of the, basically an infinite amount of ads. And I will do that for this brand in this video. And within 5 minutes, we'll have a couple of ads ready to launch. And the beauty of this is, even if image ads doesn't work for your brand right now, I have a brand right now that we have rarely ever made profit with image ads, but it's still the majority of ads that we launch. And the way we use that is we use image ads to test the angles, test the messaging, and we look at other metrics than ROAS to decide if this is something we should do more or less of. And then we can create a UGC brief based off of that angle, and then we can make it into a video ad. And now we test them with the images, and then we scale them with the video ads. So for this, I just actually input the product URL into here, and we will go ahead and start doing the research part. Now, this usually takes a very long time. I already found the product. This is the product we want to do it for. And we want to do some external research here, which is reviews, other websites, Trustpilot, Reddit, and you can actually connect your meta ads library as well, or your actual ad account, so that you can do the internal research as well. We'll start the research, and this part, not only just finding the different sources, as you can see here, Twitter, Makeup Alley, Birdie, Sephora, Ulta, we will actually do the external research to understand who our targeted audience is and why they want to buy. And then it's very easy to put together a specific audience and then a specific angle to that audience, and different angles to different awareness stages of that audience and of that angle, and then craft that into ads. And the constraint usually being, oh, I don't know what to do, is now you can't launch everything at the same time. And so you really have to have an eye out for picking out exactly which ads you should test next. But everything here, what we're about to see, is based on the external, not internal right now, because we haven't connected our ad account. You can do that. Research. There we go. So we've just now found a couple of different audiences. Let's read through these. Career woman, 48-43, finding visible aging at work. All right. Busy moms, brides to be. It's a very narrow one. Yeah, it's a narrow one. They have some spending power though. So if you're running a broad market, like you're doing worldwide, you're doing maybe the big 5, US, all of those I would say are broad markets, then you could still do narrow and still have a bunch of people you can reach out to. But actually, let's do the career woman. Let's stick to that. And then you can shuffle, you can get more audience, infinite amount of audiences here. For the angle, morning routine is aging you faster. Unaware. I think we can do a bit more aware than unaware. We don't have to go so broad in the beginning. Why do fine lines show more under office lighting? Ooh, that's a good one. Snail munching delivers, blah, blah, look 5 years younger by Mondays. Okay, I'll stick to the why do fine lines show more under office lighting. And this is, we can actually look at the audience, and the angle is based on what people are actually writing, what their reviews are saying, what you're finding in these different articles, what people are complaining about. So it's not just, oh, let's try this, but this should work based on the research. And then let's just do all of these recommended concepts. We can do next. The offer, I wouldn't change anything. I'll just stick to the offer that's actually on the site right now. And then last step, let's just do the variations. We can do square just for the sake of it. And then we generate, and that was it. I completely skipped step 2, is the extraction part. With that research we made, we take that into audience angle. That was that was step 2. That was the extraction. And then now is step 3, which is pairing all of that into different concepts, different formats, and then putting them and creating them, building them into ads. And now we have 9 ads right here. We can check those out and we can pick the ones we like, and we can even edit some of them if we aren't happy with the lighting, if we aren't happy with the background, with the product or the placements. We can just chat with this and tweak it. All right, here we go. I didn't like the colors of this one. I like that one. Let's select that one. Real results backed with data. I think since it's an older demographic, I don't think they'll see that this is actually AI. Let's do obvious lighting used to highlight every fine line. Now my skin looks smooth. I like that one as well. Oof, I mean, that looks good actually. A little before after, action going on. All right, I like those 4. I would have liked this one as well, but it was a bit weird with the green blue colors, so I'll leave that be right now. Let's generate copy for those as well. You can just run your own. Usually I just run my own copy. Like, I don't really care doing specific copy long form per ad, but you get it for free. So you might as well get it, and then you can tweak it if you want to. And 9 times out of 10, this is better than the copy that I usually run with. So it's not that important, but let's see here. See the copy. They've noticed change in how you look. Yeah. I mean, this copy is so good. I'm not going to read through everything, but just this part, so good. Let's exit here. And then we can actually just download the copy, the images, and then that's it. We've got ourselves some ads. And if you actually look at into these guys' ad library, I would say that these ads are better just straight away. And if we do want to edit something, we can go into and edit here, but here I just open the floodgates. I'll just press generate, and I'll go ahead and hop back into here, and I can just pick a different audience. Maybe I'll stick to the audience, but I'll pick this angle now. Maybe I'll stick to the angle even, and I'll just create other ad concepts. I can do I want a before after and a testimonial maybe, and then I can generate these, and then that took literally like 10 seconds. And I have same audience, same angle, different concept. Boom, done. And here we really play into the hands of Meta Andromeda, and they will love us for this. So if you want to try the tool I'm using in the video, they're letting people try this for free for some reason. I don't know for how long. I'll leave the first link in the description. You can try it out and get yourself infinite amount of ad angles and concepts based on your actual data.